Addicted to the Charts, back with another one. We're gonna go over how to set up trade copying on Topstepx platform today. So here we go. You'll go over to the settings. You see the little gear wheel. You'll go over to the settings. You'll click settings. Then you'll see copy trading. You go here. Put your lead account. Once you click your lead account, your other accounts will pop up down here. And you just go in and add them. I only have one account for right now. So that's why you don't see anything. But if you have multiple Topstepx accounts, you'll see them all pop up right here. And then you just add them in. And boom, you set up. You ready to trade from there. Stay tuned for the next one. Like and subscribe. Share if you know anybody need help. Anybody else wondering how to figure it out. Share this video with them. Happy trading.